If you're wanting to buy a child restraint, good on you. It's one of the best things you can do to keep your child safe. Using child restraints is also compulsory under New Zealand law until a child's 7th birthday, and if there's one available in a vehicle, you have to use it until the child turns 8. In this video, we're going to look at a few things that may help you when choosing a child restraint. There are several different types of child restraint. Rear-facing restraints include baby capsules and also other rear-facing seats. Rear-facing restraints are the safest for children until they're at least 2. There are also convertible seats, which can be used facing either forward or backward. Front-facing child car seats with harnesses, and booster seats, full high-backed ones and half boosters. When you're buying a child restraint, you need to take into account the age and size of your child and whether the restraint will fit your car. It's a good idea to buy your baby's child restraint before your little one arrives, and always have it checked in your car before you actually buy, as not all restraints fit all cars securely. All good retailers of child restraints will let you do this. When your child is older, the best idea is to take your child with you to match them up with the restraint. Also, always make sure that you carefully read the instructions that come with the restraint. Don't be in a hurry to move on to the next type of restraint if your child is still the right height and weight for the one they're in. Keep them in the restraint they're using until they've grown out of the specified limits. This also applies to moving children from rear-facing to forward-facing restraints. A child is safer rear-facing until at least 2 years old, but there are many seats that will rear-face longer. When you're buying, you can be sure the product you're looking at is legal for use in New Zealand by looking for its certification. There are 3 types to look for: a joint New Zealand and Australian standard, which looks like this; the European standard, which looks like this; and the US standard with a New Zealand approved label, which looks like this. If you're buying second hand, look for the same marks. You will also need to know whether the restraint may have passed its expiry date, whether it has all the relevant pieces with it, and if possible, to know the history of the restraint. For example, if a restraint has been in a crash, it may no longer be safe to use. Some families may find buying a car seat costly. It's good to know that you can hire car seats at a very low cost. Your local child restraint technician or your midwife could give you advice on how to do this. At the end of this video, there's a link to the NZTA site for more information, and also to a list of child restraint technicians near you. They are able to give advice on buying new or second-hand restraints. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.